and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Ponda Police bust a gang involved in snake venom trade. Arrest 8. Recover venom worth 1.5 crore rupees. Police suspect involvement of gang in cases outside Goa. Almost half of India under darkness as northern, eastern and northern-eastern grids collapse. 12 states affected. Train services, water supply industry powerless. Government decides to revamp midday meal scheme. Scheme to be implemented by November. And Parrikar reveals anti-corruption investigation into diversion of IT park money into cricket. Government grounds in 85 locations in the state, says Tawwadkar. Now the news in detail. Ponda Police have busted a gang of 8 persons for illegal snake venom trade in the state. Police have recovered 2 bottles of venom approximately costing around 1.5 crore rupees. 2 vehicles used to execute the crime are attached. Accused are interrogated to find out their involvement in such cases in Goa and outside the state.
Ponda Police have busted a gang by arresting 8 persons. Ponda Police intercepted a car, Alto car, in which 2 accused were found. They were carrying some kind of liquid. An interrogation, it was found that they confessed that it is a snake venom. On sustained interrogation, it revealed that they had procured these bottles of snake venom from 3 other persons. So another raid was conducted and 3 more persons were arrested. Their names are Avinash from Vasco, Sainath from Kankona, and third one is Prashant also from Kankona. Now, after the arrest of these 3 persons, it further revealed that another 3 persons are involved in the chain. The other 3 persons who were arrested were Sheikh, resident of Vasco Baina. Second is Francis from Mormugao, Goa. And the third one was, that is the last one, was Richard Francis Rebello from Kankona. In all, we have arrested 8 persons in this case. We try to find out the cost of the snake venom, what we procured unofficially, and it is found that roughly it is 1.5 crore and maybe even more. We are trying to establish the links where what is the source of the venom and what is the destination of the venom. We have learned that it is mainly used for the purpose of anti-venom or anti-snake bite kind of vaccination or medicines. Modus operandi, the Kankona South Goa is densely forest area in compared to North Goa. So we find that most of the person are from South Goa, from Kankona. Now these or any one of them used to hunt the snake in these jungle areas and take out venom from the snakes, and further they used to distribute it through their chain, and ultimately we have hunch that they might be transporting it outside Goa.
Report Prudent Media.
Almost half of India went dark after northern, eastern and northeastern grids collapsed, affecting 12 states. West Bengal, Jharkhand, Bihar, Orissa, Jammu, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan and the National Capital Region are affected by the failure. Power Ministry has ordered probe into the mishap.
The grid collapsed at around 1 o'clock in the afternoon on Tuesday. The power crisis followed Monday's monster blackout triggered the collapse of the entire northern grid, affecting more than 300 million people. 8 states in North India witnessed the decade's worst ever power crisis as the northern grid collapsed. Even the capital stayed unplugged for 10 hours. All government hospitals in Delhi were running on power backup. Delhi metro trains had to be shut down and passengers were asked to leave stations. As many as 700 trains have come to a halt across 20 states. Overdrawal of power mainly happens when states are unable to meet their own requirements locally. Indications are that power could be drawn from the west for restoration. Power Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde says he has ordered a probe and says repairs may take few hours. He says states are drawing more than the limit and he has asked for strict punishment for overdrawing power. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
State government has decided to revamp the midday meal scheme. Education Minister Manohar Parrikar said that the revised scheme will be implemented by November. The quality of food and nutrient content will be improved. Government is planning to take PTA members into confidence while implementing the scheme. Many MLAs, including opposition leader Pratap Singh Rane, raised various issues related to the scheme and quality of food.
अर्ध्यापेक्षा जास्त जेवण दनपारां दिता भायर उडयता.
I agree with him.
तुम्ही तांकां बिस्किटी आनी केळी
Speaker sir.
दियात. भुरगे खायनात.
जो ऑनरेबल लीडर ऑफ ओपोजिशनान विषय काढला तो अत्यंत महत्वाचा. त्या जाग्यार आमी कम्युनिटी किचन टाइपच्यो किचन्स तयार करतली खंयच्या तरी गव्हर्नमेंट स्कुलान फुली हायजिनीक स्टेनलेस स्टील बी सगळें वापरून सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुपांनी थंय येवन कूक करचें पडटलें. ऑल मटेरियल विल बी सप्लायड. आतां रायस दिता पळय हातून वो रायस जनावरां सुद्दां खावची ना. We will ensure that from Diwali holiday this scheme is totally changed and जेवण जेवता अशी परिस्थिती निर्माण जाली. आता 60 to 70% food is being thrown out.
काही शाळांनी भुरग्यांक बसोवपाक जागा ना आणि त्या शाळेन तुम्ही किचन
रिवॅम्प करता आणि शाळा रिवॅम्पिंग प्रोसेस चालू आहा. सप्टेंबरांतल्यान सुरू जातलो.
आता सुद्धा जे तुमचे कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट दिल्ले आसा तितून सब कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट दिला तेंच्यांनी. एक्चुअली मुळात कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट घेतला वेगळ्यान आणि चलयता वेगळीच.
कित्याक लागून भायर उडयतात. आमच्या घरा भितर पसून जर शिजयले जर जायत भुरगे आमचे अर्जे हय बरोबर आसा. पण तरी आसतना आमी जर आयज खंय पणजे खंयच्या हॉटेलान कॉफे बसलेनसून गेले जर जाय 30-35 रुपया भितर पाव भाजी मेळना. तांणी सांगलें अशें ऑनरेबल मेंबरान पाव भाजी केले जर जाय जाल्यार बरें जाता. पण हो म्हाका सामकोच इतको कमी हातून भितर ह्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर जावं बाकीच्या महिला मंडळां ती कशी करतली म्हाका दिसना हें कितें करप शक्य आसा म्हणून.
भुरग्यांचो इंटरेस्ट कवर करतले जर तूं जाल्यार पेरंट टीचर इज द बेस्ट ऑर्गनायझेशन टू कवर. स्वताचो भुरगो ज्या शाळेन वता ती शाळा सारकी आसूंक जाय. थंय मिड डे सारकें आसूंक जाय. हाचो इंटरेस्ट पेरंटांक चड आसतलो. सरकार पयशे दितलो पेरंटांक भितर इन्वॉल्व करून घेता न्ही हांव स्किमीन. गव्हर्नमेंट वील पे. आय एम रेडी टू पे. कितले जाय 100 रुपया जाय 7 रुपया जाय हांव पे करता. पण गॅरंटी कोण दितलो क्वॉलिटी दितले म्हणून. ती गॅरंटी ओन्ली पेरंट्स कॅन टेक. आपल्या भुरग्याक सारकें मेळचें अशें इच्छा नाशिल्लो 100रान फक्त एखादो कोण आसत. 99 आपल्या भुरग्या खातीर जीव तोडून कितें उलटे आनी 2 पयशे आपल्या बोल्सांतले घालपाची तयारी दवरतले.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.